Now I am.
Okay.
The East Lake Medical Center in Dallas, Texas. And we got Dover versus Hunter Hayes.
Something back to one.
Never seen these type of version. I don't think I've been on an armor with this type of version before.
Okay.
There's your phone.
I want to look closer at the buttons. Now, when I get off at 2, you can take your rides. Actually, the old Fiat Paredes in downtown El Paso had these fixtures. It's permanently closed now. That building was condemned a while back, unfortunately.
This is worth filming, is it?
It was.
Oh, I'm gonna look at it as well. All right, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and end the video down at 1, get some still pictures. I wish I could hear the motor, but unfortunately, the waterfall is kind of overpowering a little bit. And it's also not soundproof. So, anyways, that was still worth filming anyways. I really love this elevator. So, with that being said, there it goes. And that's it.